Well, the landmark Right to Information Act was passed by Parliament almost 4 years ago. Since then, this powerful law has brought about accountability from governments. But there are just a few days left for all those who feel they've either used or facilitated the use of this powerful law to submit nominations for the first ever RTI Awards. Now, as part of our continued focus on the champions of RTI, today we bring you the story of Manjunath. In 2005, Manjunath Shanmugam was killed in the line of duty while fighting petrol adulteration as a young officer with the Indian Oil Corporation. He was an IIM Lucknow alumnus, and those who knew him and those who respected what he did have instituted the Manjunath Shanmugam Integrity Award for those who uphold the same values.
Manjunath Shanmugam's life was a life cut short. He was just 27 and working in the IOCL when he was murdered by a petrol bunk owner because he had been fighting against corruption.
With Manjunath's family, I grieve for the loss of a wonderful person, of a fighter, of a man of ethics who struggled for a better India.
A small way we can do that. We probably need to do many more things, but it's at least one way of recognizing that these ideals and these what he stood for, what he sacrificed his life for.
This year the award went to not one but three achievers. Vinod Adao, village revenue officer from Amaravati, Maharashtra, who used the RTI Act to ensure financial aid to distressed farmers. Jitendra Chaturvedi, founder and chief of Dehat, working for the rights of people on the Indo-Nepal border. Sanjeev Chaturvedi, deputy forest conservator in Panchkula, Haryana, who helped save the Saraswati Wildlife Sanctuary from destruction.
Actually, this award is a unique one in the sense that it recognizes the efforts of the officers who try to uphold the rule of the law. And so I think it is a recognition for all those officers, and it would act as a motivator for such officers in the future.
Two of the nominees, Executive Engineer Manoj Gupta of UP and Dr. Tingnam Kishan Singh, a sub-divisional officer from Manipur, were killed in their fight against corruption. In a country where corruption blights almost every aspect of public life, these awards honor those who fight against it. The values of Manjunath live on, even after he has gone. Maya Sharma in Bangalore for NDTV.